Josh, ask him something, Josh. I don't know what to ask him.
Good, how you doing? Doing alright. How was the lunch at Cafe Primo?
Great.
Great? What kind of drink is that there?
I can't really remember.
You can't remember it? It's just good?
Clearly not a memory building thing.
So, you still keep in contact with Annalyn McCord? Nothing about 90210?
What's that?
You keep in contact with Annalyn McCord?
No, I don't.
She's killing it on 90210 now.
She's killing it. She's great.
Definitely. Alright, man. Well, I wish you all the best.
Have a good one.
Good Mother's Day, alright?
Take care.